Welcome to English Mastery Voyage channel.
A baby and a sock. The mother gave her baby a red apple. The baby tried to eat the apple. His mouth was too small, and he didn't have any teeth. His brother took the apple. His brother ate the apple. The baby cried. His brother gave the baby a blue ball to play with. The baby smiled. His brother took the ball from the baby. He rolled the ball on the floor. The brown and white dog picked up the ball. The dog chewed on the ball. The baby cried again. His brother picked up the cat. He put the cat on the bed with the baby. The baby pulled the cat's tail. The cat jumped off the bed. The dog chased the cat. The baby cried again. His brother let the baby hold a sock. The baby played with the sock. The baby was happy.
Birds and a baby. The baby was lying on her back. A blue bird flew in through the window. The blue bird had blue eyes. It sat on the baby's crib. The bird had a bell around its neck. The bell rang. The baby smiled. The baby reached for the bell. The bird shook its head. The bell fell off the bird's neck. It fell next to the baby. The baby picked up the bell. The baby rang the bell. Another blue bird flew in through the window. This blue bird also had blue eyes. The baby had brown eyes. The birds looked at the baby. The baby looked at the birds. The baby rang the bell again. Both birds flew away. The baby started to cry. His mama came into the room. The baby smiled. Mama saw the bell. She asked the baby where the bell came from. The baby pointed at the window.
A cat and a dog. The black cat jumped up onto the chair. It looked down at the white dog. The dog was chewing on a bone. The cat jumped onto the dog. The dog kept chewing the bone. The cat played with the dog's tail. The dog kept chewing the bone. The cat jumped back onto the chair. It started licking its paws. The dog stood up. It looked at the cat. It licked the cat's fur. The cat licked the dog's nose. The dog went back to its bone. A boy ran through the room. He was wearing a yellow shirt. He almost ran into the chair. The cat jumped off the chair. The cat jumped onto the sofa. The chair fell onto the floor next to the dog. The dog stopped chewing the bone. The dog chased the boy. The boy ran out to the street. He threw a stick. The dog chased the stick. The dog lay down. It chewed on the stick. Emily loves to cook. Emily was a little girl who loved to cook. She spent a lot of time in the kitchen with her mom, learning how to make delicious dishes. One morning, Emily decided to make pancakes for breakfast. She asked her mom for help. "Mom, can we make pancakes today?" Emily asked with a big smile. "Sure, Emily. Let's do it together." Her mom replied. Emily and her mom gathered all the ingredients: flour, eggs, milk, and sugar. Emily mixed them in a big bowl. She carefully poured the batter onto the hot pan. Soon, the kitchen smelled wonderful. While the pancakes cooked, Emily added some fresh fruits on top. She loved strawberries and bananas. Her mom showed her how to flip the pancakes. Emily was very excited when she flipped her first pancake perfectly. When the pancakes were ready, Emily and her mom sat down to eat. "These are the best pancakes ever," Emily said happily. Her mom smiled and said, "You did a great job, Emily. I am very proud of you." Emily felt very happy. She loved cooking and spending time with her mom. From that day on, Emily cooked pancakes every weekend, always adding her favorite fruits on top. Tom helps his mom. Tom was a kind and helpful boy. His mom owned a small shop where she sold fruits and vegetables. Every weekend, Tom went to the shop to help his mom. He loved spending time with her and helping customers. One Saturday morning, the shop was very busy. Many customers came to buy fresh fruits and vegetables. Tom's mom looked tired but happy to see her shop so full. "Mom, let me help you," Tom said. His mom smiled and said, "Thank you, Tom. I appreciate it." Tom started to help customers. He packed apples, oranges, and bananas in bags. He handed the bags to the customers with a big smile. The customers liked Tom's friendly and helpful attitude. An old lady came to the shop and asked for some carrots. Tom quickly found the best carrots and put them in a bag. "Here you go, ma'am," Tom said politely. The old lady thanked Tom and praised him for being such a good helper. The day went by quickly. Tom and his mom worked hard together. When the last customer left, Tom's mom hugged him and said, "You did a great job today, Tom. I am very proud of you." Tom felt happy and proud. He enjoyed helping his mom and making customers smile. He knew that working together made their shop a special place. From that day on, Tom helped his mom every weekend. They became a great team, and their shop became popular in the neighborhood. Baby's first steps. Little Mia was a happy baby. She loved to laugh and play with her toys. Mia's mom and dad were always there to take care of her. One day, they noticed that Mia was trying to stand up on her own. "Look, Mia is trying to walk," said her mom. Excitedly, Mia grabbed onto the edge of the sofa and pulled herself up. She wobbled a bit but managed to stand. Her mom and dad clapped their hands and cheered. "You can do it, Mia." Mia smiled and tried to take a step. She lifted one foot and then the other, but she fell down. Her mom quickly picked her up and said, "It's okay, Mia. Try again." Every day, Mia practiced walking. She held on to her mom's or dad's hands for support. Till by little, she got better at balancing. One evening, while her dad was sitting on the floor, Mia let go of his hand. She took one step, then another, all by herself. "Mia is walking," her dad shouted. Her mom ran to see. She was so proud of Mia. They both cheered and clapped for her. Mia was very happy. She knew she had done something special. From that day on, Mia kept practicing. She walked around the house, exploring new things. Her mom and dad were always there to help her if she needed it. They knew that with practice and support, Mia would soon be running around and having fun.